Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add videos together on Instagram story. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile. Now to add videos together on the Instagram story, we have to tap on plus icon here. Alright, to add the videos together on Instagram story, first of all we have to tap on the story here, and in here I have to go into my gallery, and you can see that we have these three videos. So I'm gonna select these three videos. Now we're gonna tap on next. So as you can see here, only for the videos, I can add them by sequence wise, one by one. So we're gonna tap on that, and you will be able to see here, we have added the videos together, but they are coming one by one. So we can add videos together on Instagram story in this way. But if I wanted to add videos together, we can use the CapCut for that. So for that, we have to install CapCut from the Play Store. As you can see here that I have already installed the CapCut on my phone. So I'm going to tap on open here. And what I can do here is pretty simple. We can tap on new project. And in here, I will select all three videos that I want to use. So I'm going to go here with first one. We're going to add this. So the first thing that I have to do here, I have to change the layout of this. So you can see we have the option of aspect ratio. So I have to tap on that. I'm going to change this to the TikTok aspect ratio. That would be ideal for Instagram story. Now you're going to select this. I'm going to put the video at the top. And to add the other videos, I'm going to select the option of overlay. And with the help of overlay, we can actually add the second video as well. So you can see here that we have added the second video here as well. So here I'm going to change the size of this by tapping on transform. I'm going to tap on resize. I want to have this on the landscape mode. So we're going to tap on this. Now we're going to tap on check here. Perfect. Now we're going to position this into the center. And similarly, I want to add one more video. So we're going to go back and we would add one more overlay here. I'm going to tap on my last video, tap on add. Again, we're going to repeat the process. So tap on transform, tap on resize, landscape aspect ratio, tap on check icon. Now I would actually like to increase the size of this. All right, so this is looking fine. And I would go back, and this is how you can see I have added all three videos together. Now I'm going to tap on export here, and it will export our video. Perfect. So our video is actually ready to share. So we're going to go back now into Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to share this one first. All right, so we have our story here, but you can see that it is in the sequential way. So now we're going to add the video that we have created on the CapCut. Again, tap on the plus icon. We have to tap on the gallery here. Now let's tap on our video that we have created. And you'll be able to see now we have the three videos together on our Instagram story. So I'm going to tap on this button. Now I'm going to tap on share, tap on done. And you'll be able to see that we have added the videos together on the second method on our Instagram story. So this is how we can do this. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.